uses the meditation to help cleanse your energy field. To prepare, find a comfortable seat without interruption for 10 to 15 minutes. Breathe normally and direct your mind to see the visual. No need for stress or strain. Just give your imagination permission to create this for you. With your eyes closed, notice the sounds far away. Just allow them to be there. And notice the sound around you in the same room. Allow them to be there. Now move your awareness to notice the sound in your own body, your digestion, your heartbeat, or breathing. Become aware of your breathing now. Take a deep breath through your nostrils, deep into your belly. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. And do this 2 more times. Now move your awareness to the top of your head, your skull. Gradually move your awareness down your body, just accepting whatever sensation you might feel. Starting at the top of your head, the skull, the forehead, the brow, the temple, the eyes, and all the muscles around the eyes, mouth, the cheeks, the ears, the back of your head, chin and jaw, the neck, the throat, shoulders, and move your awareness down to your arms, the upper arm, the elbows, lower arm, the wrists, thumbs, and fingers, palms, the back of your hand. Now move your awareness up to the chest and the back, and scan your awareness down to your torso, middle back, and stomach, lower back and abdomen, pelvic region, the hips, thighs, the knees, shins and calf, the ankles, and the top of your feet, the sole of your feet, and become aware of the whole body now, the whole body, seated or laying there. Allow your awareness to move now to your inner sanctuary. This is your perfect place you've created, a place to find solace, to find inspiration, a place to dream, a place to plan, a place to completely let go and be open to that place of oneness, to the divine. Allow yourself to be immersed completely in this peaceful place, seeing it with as much details as you wish. And now, in this perfect place, you can allow yourself to let go, being rested, being renewed, recharged. You now take a pilgrimage through your body. As you are doing this, you relax more and more deeply, allowing the energies to flow through you. You notice your body glowing with the pure light. You feel the light as being part of you, being you. You move this light body, you, as you wish, purify, calm, and as one with the divine. You now become aware of your whole body, your energy field. You feel your body contained within this field of energy. Every cell of your physical body bathed into this field of energy, cleansed and healed and vitalized by this energy, refreshed, renewed. You become aware of your breathing. You gently breathe in through your nostrils, holding in for a moment, and gently out through your mouth, allowing this energy move through your body, breathing in and returning to your normal breathing, breathing in and breathing out, knowing you can always come back here. Your awareness of being in your inner sanctuary, gradually that begins to fade as your awareness of the energy field starts to fade too. You become more and more conscious of your being fully present here and now in your physical body. You become fully conscious of your surrounding here and now. And you give thanks for the blessing received. When you're ready, only when you're ready, you can stretch your fingers and toes, move the fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. This meditation is now finished. May its inspiration continue into your being.